Tet Nguyen Dan, Vietnam's Lunar New Year, the most important celebration of the year. A moment when the country stops, breathes, and begins again. Tet marks renewal, unity, and the hope for prosperity, spiritually, socially, and even financially. Tet is not just a holiday, it is a reset, a symbolic cleansing of the old year and an invitation for new fortune. Families reconnect, homes quiet down, and the past is respectfully sealed away so the year ahead begins clean. Tet happens between late January and mid-February, depending on the lunar calendar. The official holiday lasts about a week, but preparation stretches across the month before it. In kitchens, markets, and temples, Vietnam warms up for its biggest homecoming. Before Tet arrives, households clean everything: floors, altars, front gates, debts, even personal conflicts. The belief is simple: entering the new year dirty, angry, or owed is entering it with bad luck. People buy new clothes, food preserves, decorations, and fresh flowers. Ancestral altars are refreshed with fruit, incense, and symbolic offerings. Tet is a world built on symbols. Red and gold dominate as the colors of fortune. Dragon and lion dances fill the streets to drying away evil energy. Fireworks explode to scare away misfortune and invite good spirits. Flowers are one of Tet's strongest traditions. In the south, yellow apricot blossoms called Hoa Mai symbolize wealth and growth. In the north, pink peach blossoms called Hoa Dao represent vitality and renewal. Homes and businesses proudly display kumquat trees, their round orange fruit, symbolizing prosperity and fertility. Chrysanthemums stand for longevity. Marigolds and orchids represent honor and success. Cities even build flower streets. Ho Chi Minh City's Nguyen Hue Flower Street becomes a massive open-air garden of sculptures, lights, and themed displays. In Hanoi, families wander peach blossom markets, inspecting trees the way Western families choose Christmas trees. Food is the heart of Tet, not just for eating, but for meaning. Families make sticky rice cakes, bánh chưng in the north and bánh tét in the south. They are packed tight with pork and mung beans, wrapped in green leaves and boiled for hours. Their square or cylindrical shape represents the earth and symbolizes respect for ancestors. Many families still gather all night to cook these cakes, sharing stories beside hot fires. Pickled onions and vegetables balance heavy meals. Vietnamese sausages, boiled chicken, braised pork with eggs, sticky rice with mung beans. Homes prepare trays for both guests and the ancestors believed to return. Candy trays and tins of dried coconut, lotus seeds, and sweet fruits wait near the tea set for visiting relatives. One of Tet's most important displays is the 5-fruit tray, called Mam Mu Qua, a collection of fruit arranged on the altar, often bananas, grapefruit, coconut, papaya, and tangerines. Each fruit carries a wish: stability, protection, fertility, fullness, and prosperity. Visitors admire these offerings as signs of the household's fortune. Tet looks slightly different across Vietnam. In Hanoi, families visit ancestral graves before Tet begins. Peach blossoms dominate the scenery. At Hoi An Lake and in the Old Quarter, calligraphy stalls and lanterns shine late into the night. Traditional performances and drums welcome the first morning of the new year. Ho Chi Minh City celebrates louder. Fireworks burst above the Saigon River. Lion dance troupes zigzag through markets and businesses, and shop owners pay to host them, believing the dance brings luck to their business for the year ahead. Hoi An glows with lanterns, temples, and heritage streets. Tet becomes as much a visual experience as a spiritual one. Tet is public, but first it is private. New Year's Eve is called the reunion dinner, or Tet Nguyen. Families return home, children travel back to parents, and cities temporarily empty as people leave to celebrate in their native provinces. This meal seals the old year. There is another ritual. 7 days before Tet, the kitchen god is sent to heaven with offerings to report on the household's behavior. Families burn paper effigies or release symbolic fish to guide him upward. When midnight strikes, incense smoke rises. Offerings are placed on altars so ancestors can symbolically come home and eat with the family. The first person to step inside your home after midnight matters. Called Song Dat, this person influences your luck for the entire year. Many families choose someone with good character or a favorable zodiac year, and some avoid unexpected visitors until morning. Tet brings gifts, small red envelopes called Li Si. Adults give them to children, wishing them health, study success, and growth. The amount does not matter, it is the blessing that counts. Vietnam pauses during Tet. Government offices and shops close. Cities become peaceful. People travel to temples, visit relatives, and reconnect with roots. After the fourth or fifth day, life slowly resumes. Markets reopen, buses fill again, and business owners invite lion dance groups to bless storefronts for good fortune. Tet is renewal. It is a spiritual reset and Vietnam's greatest homecoming. Every blossom, dish, lantern, envelope, and ritual carries the same message. Start fresh. Honor your past. Welcome luck.